Kawawaan man itong bahay dito, lumubog na oh. High tide, hindi ito baha ha. Ano ito? Tumaas yung tubig dahil sa high tide. Dati hindi naman ganito. Day! Ligo mo diha! Kawawa yung mga tao oh. Bit-bit yung mga bata. Musta man na nang? Galeb jacket naman ang usa. Wawa talaga eh. Ugma pa. Yan mo may tao sa balay. Ugma ba sa kasal? Yung bahay ng mama ko oh. Lubog na lubog. Oh my God. Si Ginoo ko taga-tuhod manibay. Hala ka diya. This is our place here, Mom's place. Amin sa ko. So this is it. You know the situation right now. No, it's pretty. It's maybe in 1 month they're 2 times, 3 times.
Is it in the summer like the springtime months or summer months, or is it any time of year?
Any time of the year. No. Because it's tide, low tide and high tide.
It doesn't used to be like this though. It was like this after earthquake, but then some.
I think this island sank during the great earthquake in 2013. Ah, maybe one cause of this is the ice is melting in the Arctic Ocean or the Antarctic in the south. Hey!
Conspiracy theorist.
Conspiracy theory. But I believe it because as the ice melt, it will turn into a liquid. No. Okay. You travel there. Huh? Okay. You travel around the island? And what time is it now? What time is it? So we'll be... My God. This is it. The kitchen is The kitchen is already flooded with water. And that is the stove there. Dirty stove.
Dirty kitchen.
No? Ano ba yun, no? Grabe, marga puti agpan. Ang saan naman ito ni Paahay? Ano yung tabang, oy?
Asan mo tamo itang ano? Paano ni mama o? Taga-tala na, pero ang ginagawa ano?
Apil. Di gini papiri si Ja, oy.
Ikaw sa silen. Wala man. Wala ka magparitit makiulit.
Tuyuli. Huh? I give you 1 hour to tour around the island and
Turn back to the floating.
I ask you a question later.
Okay.
Wala mo kang 19 anyos pa?
Umuulan pa. High tide pa. Pero ito, kilawin na naman. May bear, oh. Brother-in-law ko, oh. Dito lang muna tayo, standby.
Kaya nga, ari, oh.
Siya nga. Aga ng tubig. Oo, balde. Na may suot siguro. Nagsahod ng tubig. Ulan, dahil wala rin tubig dito. Guys, ito na naman guys. Sashimi, grabe. Kahuhuli lang to eh. Oh, ito yung ambience namin dito oh. Ayan oh. Paglabay ko ng kuan. Ito oh. Suwake. Tapos hati. You see? There are a lot of fish. Look at that, man. Oh. Oh. Hindi magtingan bulisan kuan man eh. Ni bangkulisan. Mas kilo magkano ko da? No? Kilo kuan. Sashimi guys. Sarap nito guys. Talagang kung ano pa yung kaliskis niya. Maganda sa isla, sa probinsya. Lahat ay pisko. Mukha lang ang hindi pisko guys. Kuha na. Nangulupot na guys. Oh.
The fish is fresh but the people are not.
What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling?
The fish is fresh but the people are not.
Everything is fresh here. Fresh seafood, fresh vegetable, but our face is very not no more fresh. Ito kay unay hukas dong oh.
Mapuan sa takin sa
Oh, kaya tagdaga mo. Ang buangan ka oy, mo na taga bukid di magtila.
time goes by, but you were still on my mind. Who said time will ease? Who said time will ease the pain?
This is my sister. Looks like she's been out from the prison. Oh, sabi guys. Tuyom, kanin, alimango, takla.
Kasi tungaan na sa
Mm.
napay Dumbay.
Ito yung pinaka the best. Yan ang gusto ko. Hindi ko ipapalit ng bulalo to or lechon. Ito naman sa sashimi oh.
Ate, yes.
Mayroon pa swaki guys. Ang liliit naman. Bakit hinuli nila ito? Kawawa naman to. Mabuhi pa kaning ilabay no? Di na.
What?
Kare?
Ayaw, ilabay man no?
Di man na.
Ilabay na ni mo dire.
Oo. Oo.
No, haon na nato ha.
Okay. Magtimpla sa Lord, timplahin sa tuba be. Putek pichel. By myself. You can dip twice as long as you didn't eat first. Because if you eat and you dip, mo ni problema.
Grabe, naguna-una oy.
I know.
Dong, di mo di puno. Ibitian na ni wa pa.
Hindi ko na pa. Ano pula ni mo na tao mo dito. Pasakyan mo.
Napuno na. Tay ko, hindi isa pa.
Wala sa na ibaling na.